Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir Classes. Today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 economics paper, question number 55. An industry has 6 firms in Kurno competition. Each of the 6 firms have zero fixed cost and a constant marginal cost equals to 20. So the product is homogeneous and the industry inverse demand function is given by P equals to 230 minus Q, where P is the market price, Q is the industry output, sum of output of 6 firms. Then the market price under the Cournot-Nash equilibrium is equals to how much? So the marginal cost of the ith firm is 20 for all I equals to 1 to 6. Correct? Now, one thing you all might be remembering that if the marginal costs are same for all the firms participating in the Cournot competition, then at optimal, all firms produce the same or equal output because their marginal cost of producing the output is the same, so they divide the total demand equally. So that means if I just let's say take the profit of firm 1 expression pi 1, which will be P into Q1 minus C1. So the price is 230 minus Q, so that is Q1 plus Q2 all the way till Q6 into Q1 minus 20 Q1. So for determining form 1's output, what you should do? You should partially differentiate pi 1 with respect to Q1 and set it equals to 0. So that will be 230 minus Q1 plus Q2 all the way till Q6 minus Q1 minus 20 is equals to 0. So that implies 230 minus 20, 210 minus Q1 plus Q2 all the way till Q6 minus Q1 is equals to 0. Now, as I have already mentioned it on top, that since the marginal costs are the same at optimal, all firms will produce equal output. That means Q1 star equals to Q2 star equals to Q6 star. So if I replace this condition over here, so that becomes 210 minus 6 Q1 star minus Q1 star is equals to 0. So 210 minus 7 Q1 star is equals to 0. So Q1 star is equals to 30. So each firm will be producing 30 units of the output in the equilibrium. So the equilibrium price will be 230 minus 6 into 30. So that is 230 minus 180, and that gives you your answer as 50. 50. So the market price under Cournot-Nash equilibrium will be 50. Thank you.